Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's SLP video update. And now SLP guys, is still in a very huge danger zone right here. Now from what I see guys, the weekly time frame, okay, this is the weekly time frame, and the weekly time frame is looking way more dangerous than you can even imagine, possibly imagine. Okay, so if you look at the weekly, all you're looking is a downtrend here, made a sideways bearish rectangle, and you're looking to actually go down the way you just came up, the way you came down from previously here. So it's a very dangerous situation right now. And if I actually give you the technical target out of this one on the weekly, if you take the top here to the bottom, and then potentially you might even be looking for SLP to make huge dumps that you've never seen before, and that could actually take you all the way down to 0.00132. And that's a huge, I'm telling you, that's really huge dump. And technically speaking, this is actually correct, and you might be looking for a 76% dump to the downside. Now in yesterday's video, I already told you, in the previous videos, I was telling you so many times that guys, SLP is in a parallel channel. I told you so many times, SLP is in a parallel channel. SLP might be making a bearish rectangle right over here. I've been telling you, you had a touch here, support, you had a support there, and then finally you lost support, went for the retest, you failed, and you're looking for SLP to basically come down where? To this line right over here. Remember in yesterday's video, just watch that one. Now by the looks of things, I still told you that this technical target number 2, and that's going to be the bearish rectangle technical target. So all I did is, you know, take this stick right here, and on the phone guys, it's a little bit difficult to actually navigate on the phone right now, but anyway, you take that stick right over there. This is freaking, oh my goodness. Yeah, you just take this just like that, place it from the top here to the bottom. This is the way you're breaking out, and the technical target guys is going to be taking you all the way down to the 0.00222. okay. On the weekly, it takes you even way lower to these levels, and this will be the end, maybe the end of the dump, the final dump to the downside. And that's it for today's SLP update. I'm going to see you the next